In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either turn on or off notifications on your Google Chrome web browser. So if you want to disable Chrome, allowing you to send you meeting reminders from websites and different extensions as well. So if you want to just either turn that on or off, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Chrome web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that one time and go down to settings. On the left side, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to go down to site settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath permissions, you want to select notifications. Site can send notifications. Go ahead and select that. So you have a few options here to select from. You can allow sites to ask to send notifications. You can use quieter messaging, which would mean that sites are blocked from interrupting you when they ask to send notifications. So if you're in the middle of something, if you're watching something on YouTube, for example, or you're doing some searching, it should not be disrupting you. It tries to kind of time it a little bit better. Or on the other extreme here, besides the sites can ask to send notifications, the opposite of that would just be to prevent sites from sending notifications. Now you can also allow certain exemptions in here for websites you want to allow or not allow to send notifications by selecting the corresponding add button. And then you just would type in the domain here and then select add. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.